Welcome to 99 Hudson Street, my friends. I'm your local realtor, Mike Kotler, specializing in Jersey City, Hoboken, and Weehawken. Today we're at the tallest residential building in the state of New Jersey, 99 Hudson. We are in downtown Jersey City in the Exchange Place neighborhood, right on the waterfront, looking at these luxury condos in downtown Jersey City. Let's check out that view because there are a few reasons why you live here, and the view is certainly up there. You see the World Trade Center, the Hudson River. You can see essentially all of Lower Manhattan, Statue of Liberty. So amazing views, new construction, tons of amenities, which we'll get to in a moment. And the neighborhood. You're in downtown Jersey City. There are tons of amazing bars, restaurants, and cultural activities in this area. So this is a 2-bed, 2-bath we're looking at today. High-end fixtures, Kohler fixtures in the bathroom and the kitchen. I'll run through some of the amenities in the building while you take a look at this unit. So you have indoor parking, 24-hour doorman, super fast elevators. From a wellness standpoint, you have a steam room, hot tub, dry sauna, massage rooms, private showers, and a locker room. An amazing pool you're going to see in a little bit. It's 80 by 50. Let's pause and actually go up to the penthouse. This is a sneak peek. This is not a built-out unit. The developers are leaving this. I mean, look at those views. Unbelievable. You're on top of the world. You are not going to have neighbors looking in on you there. I promise you that. So let's take a look at this unit and wait till you see the outdoor terrace. It's huge. It's beautiful. You might want to put a pool there. Doubt you can, so maybe you just want to put a little kiddie pool in to dip your feet in the water while you're out there in the summer. Absolutely beautiful unit. Well, in terms of the views, it's nothing yet at the moment, but you can buy it for a few $1 million. Happy to help you with that. When we go see the amenities, by the way, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe so that you can see all of the future videos that we produce and the past videos of other luxury condo buildings in Jersey City, Hoboken, and Weehawken. So feel free to pause right here if you want to take a look at the amenities. So we already discussed a lot. We have the grilling stations, the game room, the business center. I'll pause here. Look at that pool. Trust me, in the summer, that pool will come in handy. This gym, I love this gym. I've never seen it where it's crowded, so you shouldn't have to wait for any of the equipment. Lots of cardio equipment. I think this gym, in terms of size and equipment, matches the Hudson T in Hoboken in terms of what I've seen as the best residential gyms in the area on the waterfront in Jersey City, Hoboken, or Weehawken. Golf simulator, screening room, children's playroom. The list goes on with the amenities. So I hope you enjoyed this tour. Again, please make sure you subscribe for future videos. Thanks for coming. See you soon.